Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. As you know, in the last video we showed the data as in dynamic way to our UI using useState. In today's video we will work on delete to-dos and also later we will also work on edit to-dos. Let's get started now. Scroll down a bit, remove both text we made here. Now make div here and in that div make a button here. This button will be called as edit button. Copy that div with button and paste it below. This button will be used as delete. Alright, now let's add some styling here. Lastly, we will use flex to show both buttons in a row. Let's add some margin and tr tag too. Alright, everything is done. Let's create a function above, which will be named as handle delete to do. This method will hold a parameter as index of that selected to do. We will delete the selected to do by using index this time, as our last series we used ID, which is also good too. Below we will set our to-do state by filtering with the index. If the index is not matched, we will filter that to-do, then that to-do will be deleted. Now copy that method and scroll down and find the delete button. Make an on-click listener here, make an anonymous method here, paste that method and pass the index value in that method now. As it's completed now, let's check the changes in the browser now with UI. Now write down some to-dos here. I want to delete eat to-do, click on it. As you can see, it's deleted now. You can delete as many to-dos as you want. That's it for now. In the next video, we will work on edit part of the to-do. I'll see you guys in the next videos now. Happy coding!